Davangere. It's a class for 7th standard students, CBSE and CRT, and also for Karnataka state students. In that the chapter 2 is fractions and decimals. In that today's topic is division of fractions. Exercise 2.4. The second line. Find the reciprocals and classify as proper fractions, improper fractions, and the whole numbers. First, what we have to do? Some fractions are given. For those fractions, we have to find the reciprocals of those fractions. After finding the reciprocals, we have to mention that the reciprocal of those fractions are proper fractions, improper fractions, or whole numbers. Okay, let us convert. It is find the reciprocals of this 3 by 7. How we can find the reciprocals? Reciprocals means we can get the reciprocal of this fraction by interchanging the numerator into the denominator and the denominator into the numerator. Here the numerator is 3. We have to make this numerator as the denominator and this denominator as numerator. Therefore, reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Okay, this is the denominator will become the numerator and the numerator will become the denominator. And we have to write this 7 by 3 as proper fraction or improper fraction or the whole numbers. In this, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Therefore, this is a which type of fraction? Improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay, 5 by 8. Here 5 by 8 is given. The reciprocal of this 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. This is also, here the numerator is greater than the denominator and this is the improper fraction. Now, 9 by 7. It is reciprocal of 9 by 7 is 7 by 9. 7 by 9. Here the numerator is less than the denominator. Therefore, it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. And 6 by 5 is there. The reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. Here numerator is less than the denominator. Therefore, it is also a proper fraction. And 12 by 7, reciprocal of 12 by 7 is 7 by 12 and this is 7 by 12 is a proper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator. 1 by 8, the reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1. Here 8 is there, it is divided by 1, therefore it is a whole number, isn't it? It's a whole number. 1 by 11 is there. Reciprocal of 1 by 11 is 11 by 1. Is nothing but 11 also. Therefore, it is a whole number. Okay, students, understood this? Okay, let us move on to the next main. Third main. The third main find first one 7 by 3 divided by 2, 4 by 9 divided by 5, and third one 6 by 13 divided by 7. Okay, in this we have to divide, the fraction is there and the whole number is there. We have to divide this fraction by a whole number. Let us take 7 by 3 and this whole number is written as 2 by 1. That is 7 by 3. While dividing the fraction by a whole number, 7 by 3 divided by. Therefore, 7 by 3 is multiplied by the reciprocal of this whole number. 2 by 1 is there. We have to write 1 by 2. 2 by 1 is written as 1 by 2. That is equals to 7 ones are 7, 3 twos are 6. If it is in the improper fraction, we can write it in the proper fraction. That is equals to mixed fraction. That is equals to 1 by 6. Okay students, understood? While dividing a fraction by a whole number, the fraction is multiplied by the reciprocal of 2 by 1. The reciprocal of 2 by 1, in this, the numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. The reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. Okay. Now, here 4 by 9 is there. 4 by 9 is divided by 5 by 1. While doing this, 4 by 9 is multiplied by 1 by 5. That is equals to 4 ones are 4, 9 fives are 45. 9 fives are 45. Okay students. Next, 6 by 13 divided by 7. 6 by 13 into 1 by 7. Here the reciprocal of 7 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 7. 6 by 13 into 1 by 7. That is equals to 6 by 13 sevens are 91. Okay students, understood how we are going to do these problems. Now let us move on to the next problems. Divided by 3. Fourth one, 4 1 by 3 divided by 3. And fifth one, 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. And sixth one, 4 3 by 7 divided by 7. Here also the same procedure we are doing. First convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 3s are and plus 1, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 by 3 divided by 3 by 1. That is 13 by 3 into the reciprocal of 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. Reciprocal. While multiplying, we have to take the reciprocal. That is equals to 13 by 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, students. Next, 3. If this is a mixed fraction, first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2 divided by 4 by 1. We can take 4 by 1. 1 by 4 as 4 by 1. That is equals to 7 by 2 into 1 by 4. The reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. Therefore, that is equals to 7 by 8. 7 ones are 7, 2 fours are 8. Now change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31 by 7 divided divided by 7 by 1. 31 by 7 is multiplied by the reciprocal of this number is 1 by 7, that is equals to 31 by 7 sevens are 49. Okay students, let us come to the end of my class. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe. Thank you for watching students. Okay, bye bye.